Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Craft Collection Ideas. In today's video we are going to explore some amazing twig and stick craft ideas that can turn simple natural materials into beautiful handmade decoration. Twigs, small branches, stick, dried leaves, flowers and other natural materials can be found around us. Most of the time we may not think of them as craft materials, but with creativity and a little imagination, these simple materials can become beautiful pieces of wall art, home decoration, and handmade artwork. The purpose of today's video is to share creativity and inspiration and to show how ordinary natural materials can be given a new purpose. Our channel is created for learning, creativity and inspiration and discovering new ideas. So let's explore these beautiful rustic craft ideas together. The first thing we can learn from these ideas is that craft materials do not always have to be expensive. Small dry twigs and stick can be used as the basic structure for many creative projects. Their natural texture and shape already give the artwork a rustic and handmade appearance. You can arrange sticks in different ways to create frame, pattern, shapes, or decorative structures. Some designs can remain very simple while others can include flower, leaves, rope, beads, or other decorative materials. The natural brown color of wood also works beautifully with soft and earthy colors. This makes twig craft especially suitable for rustic farmhouse, a handmade wall decoration can bring a natural feeling into a room. It can be placed in a living room, bedroom, study area, hallway, or even a creative corner. The best part is that every piece can look different because natural branches are never exactly the same. Their different shape and texture make each creation unique. Twig become even more attractive when combined with dry flowers and leaves. Flower can add color while branches provide a natural structure. You can create a small arrangement using different shapes and size. For example, a simple branch can be decorated with a small flower or to create a delicate wall hanging. Another idea is to arrange dried leaves and flowers instead of wooden of twig frame. This combination can create a peaceful and natural look. They also show us how different materials can work together to create one beautiful design. Natural jute rope or twine can also be combined with wooden stick. Rope can be used to connect branches, create hanging decoration, or add texture to the design. You can also combine twigs with beads, fabric, shells, dried flowers, or other simple craft materials. The goal is not to use too many materials. Sometimes a few carefully selected elements are enough to make a beautiful decoration. Try different combinations and see what works best with your designs. This is also a great way to develop your own creative style. Another interesting idea is making decorative frames using natural stick. Instead of buying a ready-made frame, you can create a rustic frame using branches. The frame can hold a picture, dried flowers, leaves, or other handwork. So guys, you can also experiment with the different shapes. So guys, look at the shapes of branches, leaves, flowers and trees. This natural form can help us create artwork that feel calm and connected to nature. For example, branches can represent trees, trees, flowers can represent a garden, and small decorative pieces can become birds, butterflies, or other natural elements. This project can also help children and beginners understand shapes, color, texture, and design in a fun way. That is why craft is not about only making decoration. It can also be a simple learning creativity. Another important message behind this craft is reuse. Before throwing away a simple piece of wood, an old branch, or leftover decorative material, think about whether it can be used creatively. It also gives us an important to experiment without spending a lot of money. You can start by collecting suitable natural materials and keep them safely for future projects. So guys, I hope you like this collection very much. Remember, you don't have to be an expert artist to try these ideas. Start with something simple. Take a few sticks and arrange them together. Add some rope, leaf, flower or other decoration. Look at the result and think about what you can change. Maybe you can add older color. Maybe you can change the shape. Maybe you can create a completely different design. So guys, I hope you like this video very much. If you like this video, our channel is all about learning, creativity, inspiration and sharing useful ideas. Bye guys.